Hey, I'm just going to do a little quick video on how to look up different terms, different, different study ideas. Like, if you have, questions about what's the difference between a buy and a sell, what's the difference between support and resistance, things like that. How do you trade in a range? I mean, literally anything. What is a candlestick? What is, trade Investopedia is really, really good for trading. Support and resistance, defining support and resistance. Support is price level where the downtrend can be expected to pause due to a concentration of demand. And then let me see what else. My internet's really slow right now, so it's not really working. But anyways, moving averages. What is a moving average? Oh, here you go. Okay, support, resistance. This here is a moving average right here, this line. It just tells past price. And then, if we want to do something else, let me see. Understand the concept of trending, trend lines, and then you kind of just get lost in it, because one topic leads to the next and one thing to the next. But anyways, Investopedia is key in the beginning because, you're going to have all kinds of questions and you're not going to want to be asking somebody every one of these things. It has videos, actually most of them do have videos. And then, just a lot of good information. Another one that I use is Daily FX. This is not necessarily a, educational platform, as more of a news platform. This has a lot of good information on it, and they're on our side. It's not just the banks putting out bogus information for us to look at. But yeah, I like this. I like they have IG sentiment. It kind of basically shows you where everybody's going. You're looking for all the way in one direction would be nice. But anyways, yeah, Investopedia, Daily FX, and then Forex Factory is another one. I have all these, I have like icons and stuff on my page because I use them all the time. I'm just showing you this way. But anyways, Forex Factory, this is the calendar. So what this is different news events. So a lot of times you'll hear people say they don't trade red folders, or even what is trading the news. Trading the news is either avoiding a trade during certain times or setting up a trade in preparation for it. What I do is I just go ahead right here, take off these two because I don't care about those. We can take off any of the pairs that you don't want to look at, but I just leave it with all the red and orange. And then that way I know. So we are down to here right now. See a little green arrow. So 8.15 US dollar, Powell speaks. So tonight I would expect some movement on the US dollar. That's just basically another aspect of doing your research. That's just one more tool that you use. But anyways, Investopedia, Forex Factory, Daily FX, YouTube. Really, I'm starting to put out a lot more videos on early topics and how to really get started and how to really, just where to get this information from. So, all right. Hope you guys liked it. Bye.